Meanwhile, Indian pharma companies may take a hit as Trump is demanding 17 pharma giants lower US drug prices. What are the implications for Indian companies? Varsha is joining in with more details.
Yeah, thank you for that. So, first on the news, Trump is demanding that these companies, 17 MNC companies, they should immediately lower prescription drug prices in the US to match the lower prices paid by the other developed nations. So, letter has been sent to 17 major drug makers, which includes Eli Lilly, Pfizer, and Novo Nordisk. Now, specifically, if you see, Trump is calling for immediate reduction in prices for existing drugs sold to Medicaid, and he insists that the future drug launch in the US must be priced comparably to international market from day one. And he has also presented a unique proposal. Now the US government would help companies raise drug prices abroad to match American levels, but then any extra profits earned overseas would then need to be brought back to the US to offset domestic drug prices. Now if I were to talk about the impact on Indian pharma companies, Sun Pharma has the largest exposure when it comes to US branded specialty drug sales. Their key drug Illumia, which treat plague paralysis in adult, if you see in FY25, that contributes around 5,000 crore. Which might be largely affected because of this regulation. Over 50% of the Illumia sales are generated overall when it comes to specialty portfolio, and Illumia's US price is reportedly 4x higher than the other developed nations, and the lowering prices to global parity could significantly affect Sun Pharma's Illumia drug. So overall,
it's largely Varsha. So it's largely Sun Pharma.
Yes, it's largely Sun Pharma.
Okay, so it's the hit is focused on a Sun Pharma is the point to note. Let's look at Sun Pharma in the pre-open session just a minute in. So we'll have to see how that really pairs out. But Vineet, in terms of Sun Pharma and pharma sector companies right now, anything specific that you think is a buy?
So I think CDMO space is quite insulated from the generic players as such. And, those are the stocks to go with. And here we like Divi's Lab, we like, Laurus Labs also. So I think these two stocks will continue to do well. As far as Piramal Pharma is concerned, we are slightly skeptical. We believe that it does not have enough mojo in the stock. And, while they pointed to, teen kind of revenue growth, it's a little struggling with capacity utilization. So until they don't get the capacity utilizations right, I think that stock will sell off a bit. We think it's fully valued at current levels.